The manufacturing and supply chain exhibition will be online, working for you for the next 12 months to create awareness for your business and generate new business leads. Your exhibitor booth. Each booth will provide your company with an opportunity to host video, website, brochures, contact and live chat, and job vacancies. Navigation. Visitors to the online event can navigate easily to the different halls by searching either sector, company name, or category. The various halls will be organised into different sectors such as pharma, food and beverage, medtech, electronics, or energy and sustainability. Visitor generation activations include social media campaigns, banner advertising links, trade magazine advertising, supporting industry associations, technical online webinars, exhibitor product launches, dedicated PR campaigns. Pricing. A standard booth costs €995 for 12 months. A sponsorship package costs €1,495 for 12 months. This includes branding on the website, newsletters, and additional hotspots for your virtual booth. For more information, email colin@prempub.ie.